Hey everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to make a YouTube banner using Canva. So it's actually quick, beginner friendly, and you don't need any designing experience. So first, simply go to Canva and log in. From here, you can then search for YouTube banner in the search bar. So Canva will open the correct canvas size automatically, along with a bunch of ready-made templates that you can actually customize. So simply pick a template you like, or start with a blank design if you prefer. Next, you can then click on the text to change your channel name, tagline, or upload schedule. You can also add your own images or logos by dragging them into the canvas. So just make sure important text stays in the center safe area so it actually looks good on all devices. So once you're happy with the design, simply click share, then download, and then choose PNG for the best quality. After that, you can then save it to your computer and upload it to your YouTube channel, and your new banner will then be ready to go. And that's it. So that's literally how to make a YouTube banner using Canva. So I really hope you found this insightful, and if you did, then make sure to leave a like and of course subscribe. Then we'll see you on the next one.